Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the YOUTASTE upholstered dining chairs, a stylish setup too perfect for any room. These chairs feature a sleek armless design with comfortable faux leather seats and striped upholstery for a modern look. The sturdy X-cross metal legs provide excellent support, while adjustable rubber feet keep the chairs stable on any surface. Made from high-density sponge, FSC-certified wood, and scratch-resistant materials, these chairs offer both durability and luxury. Assembly is quick and easy, taking just 5 to 10 minutes with clear instructions included. With a recommended weight capacity of 300 pounds, these chairs combine timeless elegance with dependable comfort for your home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.